speaker. I'm studying in fifth class. I am telling you about the five friendly farmers. Five friendly farmers wake up with the sun, for it is early morning and the chores must be done. For the first friendly farmer goes to milk the cow. The second friendly farmer thinks he better flow. The third friendly farmer feeds the hungry hens. The fourth friendly farmer puts the pigs in their pens. The fifth friendly farmer picks the reap corn and waits the neighbor. When he blows, he burns. When the work is finished and the evening sky is red, five tired farmers stumble into bed. Thank you all.